Do you know the latest breakthroughs in diabetes research? This is a time of incredible scientific progress, and the field of diabetes research is no exception. It's an exciting era, with new findings and potential treatments paving the way for a more comprehensive understanding of this complex condition. Recently, a groundbreaking study has revealed a novel understanding of diabetes. Traditionally, diabetes has been classified into two main types: Type 1, an autoimmune condition, and Type 2, often associated with lifestyle. But scientists have now proposed a more nuanced categorization, suggesting 5 distinct types of diabetes. This new perspective could revolutionize treatment plans, tailoring them to the specific type of diabetes a patient has, making management more effective and personalized. Alongside this, there's promising news on the treatment front. Researchers are developing smart insulin, a game-changer in diabetes management. Unlike conventional insulin that needs to be manually administered, smart insulin is designed to automatically activate when blood sugar levels rise and deactivate when they normalize. This advancement could potentially eliminate the need for constant blood sugar monitoring and insulin injections, significantly improving the quality of life for those living with diabetes. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The potential of a cure is on the horizon. Scientists are exploring the use of stem cells to regenerate insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. While this research is still in its early stages, the initial results are inspiring. Imagine a world where diabetes can be cured, not just managed. Furthermore, advancements in technology are playing a significant role in diabetes management. From wearable devices that continuously monitor blood sugar levels, to apps that help track food intake and physical activity, managing diabetes is becoming easier and more efficient. These breakthroughs hold the promise of a better and healthier future for people living with diabetes. The advancements we've discussed today are not just incremental steps, but giant leaps in our understanding and treatment of diabetes. They bring hope, and with continued research and innovation, we're moving closer to a world where diabetes can be effectively managed and perhaps one day cured. How about the technological advancements that are revolutionizing diabetes management? In the realm of diabetes management, technology has been a game changer. Devices like continuous glucose monitors and insulin pumps are at the forefront of this revolution. Continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, have altered how we monitor blood glucose levels. Rather than the traditional finger prick method, CGMs provide real-time dynamic glucose readings throughout the day and night. This allows for a comprehensive understanding of an individual's blood sugar patterns and trends, enabling a more precise and proactive approach to management. Insulin pumps, on the other hand, have transformed insulin delivery. These devices deliver insulin 24/7 through a small tube, eliminating the need for multiple daily injections. They can be programmed to deliver varying amounts of insulin at different times of the day, mimicking the natural insulin production of a healthy pancreas. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Enter smart insulin pens. These pens keep track of insulin doses, the time of injections, and even alert users when the insulin is about to expire. This can be a game changer for those who struggle to remember their injection schedules or who often forget their last dose. And then, there's the artificial pancreas system, a revolutionary technology that is still in its infancy. This system combines a CGM and an insulin pump with a computer-controlled algorithm to automatically deliver the right amount of insulin in response to changes in blood glucose levels. This could be the closest we've come to replicating the function of a healthy pancreas. The beauty of these technologies lies in their ability to provide actionable data and automated control, leading to more precise and personalized diabetes management. They have the potential to reduce the burden of managing this condition, improving the quality of life for those living with diabetes. These technologies are empowering individuals with diabetes to take control of their health. Ever wondered how lifestyle modifications can help manage diabetes? Well, let's delve into that. When it comes to managing diabetes, lifestyle modifications are just as crucial as medication. It's like a three-legged stool: medication, diet, and lifestyle. If one leg is missing, the stool becomes unstable. Similarly, your diabetes management plan can falter without these 3 elements. Firstly, let's talk about regular exercise. Physical activity is a potent tool in your diabetes management arsenal. Why is that, you ask? Well, when you exercise, your muscles use sugar for energy, thereby reducing the sugar levels in your blood. Regular physical activity also helps your body use insulin more efficiently. These benefits work together to lower your blood sugar levels. The key here is consistency. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a bike ride, Choose an activity you enjoy and stick to it. Make it a part of your daily routine, aiming for a minimum of 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Maintaining a healthy weight is another vital aspect of managing diabetes. If you're overweight, even a modest weight loss can have a significant impact on managing your blood sugar levels. You might ask, how much weight loss are we talking about here? Well, research suggests that losing just 7 to 10% of your current weight can help control blood sugar levels. Lastly, let's not forget about stress management. Stress can play a significant role in blood sugar levels. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones that can raise your blood sugar levels. Techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, and meditation can help keep stress levels in check and make a difference in your overall blood sugar control. So there you have it. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress are 3 powerful lifestyle modifications you can make to manage your diabetes effectively. Remember, a healthier lifestyle not only manages your diabetes but also improves your overall well-being. What are the dietary considerations you need to keep in mind when you have diabetes? This is a question that often arises, and it's important to understand the answer. At the forefront of managing diabetes is a balanced diet. This doesn't mean you need to renounce your favorite foods, but rather learn to strike a balance among all food groups. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats play unique roles in managing diabetes. Let's examine each one. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our bodies, however, they also impact our blood sugar levels the most. So it's not just about the quantity of carbohydrates, but the quality as well. That's where the concept of the glycemic index, or GI, comes into play. The GI is a ranking of carbohydrates in foods according to how they affect blood glucose levels. Foods with a high GI are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid rises in blood sugar levels, while foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed at a slower pace, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Integrating low GI foods into your diet can help maintain steady blood sugar levels. Next, we have proteins. They play a pivotal role in tissue repair and immune function. Unlike carbohydrates, proteins have a minimal effect on blood sugar levels and can help control hunger. Lastly, fats. While they often get a bad rap, not all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and fish can actually help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. On the flip side, saturated and trans fats found in foods like processed meats and baked goods can raise your cholesterol levels and should be consumed sparingly. In essence, managing diabetes is not about drastic dietary changes, but about understanding and making informed food choices. Remember, every individual is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Consult with a healthcare professional to create a dietary plan that suits your individual needs and preferences. A well-balanced diet is key to managing diabetes and leading a healthy life. Did you know that you are not alone in your fight against diabetes? In today's world of digital connectivity, finding a community of like-minded individuals who share your experiences is easier than ever. This holds true for those battling diabetes. There are numerous communities, both online and offline, that offer support, education, and advocacy for individuals grappling with diabetes and their families. One such community is the American Diabetes Association, a leading force in the fight against diabetes. They provide a wealth of resources, from the latest research and treatment options to lifestyle tips and advice. They also run advocacy efforts at the national level, pushing for policies that improve the lives of those with diabetes. Then we have the Diabetes Hands Foundation, an online community where individuals can share personal stories, ask questions, and receive emotional support. It's a safe space where you can connect with others who understand your journey, where you can find comfort and reassurance. Moreover, Diabetes Daily is an online forum that provides educational resources, personal success stories, and an active community of people sharing practical tips and solutions to everyday challenges. It's a place where you can learn from the experiences of others and contribute your own insights. On a more personal level, local diabetes support groups can be invaluable. These groups often organize regular meetings, workshops, and activities to foster a sense of community and mutual support. They offer an opportunity to meet others in your area who are also managing diabetes, providing a real-life network of support and understanding. And let's not forget the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, dedicated to supporting younger individuals and their families. They fund research, advocate for government support of research and new therapies, and provide resources for families to help manage the life-changing diagnosis of juvenile diabetes. These communities and many more like them stand as a testament to the power of shared experiences and mutual support. They serve as a reminder that no one has to face diabetes alone. Remember, support and understanding from a community can make all the difference in managing diabetes. Opening. How can we empower people living with diabetes? Living with diabetes doesn't mean living a less fulfilling life. It's about understanding the condition, taking charge, and making the right decisions. Empowerment starts with self-care, education, and advocacy. Self-care is the cornerstone of managing diabetes. It's about making daily choices that favor your health. This includes maintaining an active lifestyle, adhering to a nutritious diet, monitoring blood sugar levels, and taking prescribed medications. It's about creating a routine that promotes well-being and prevents complications. But how can you make these decisions without understanding your condition? That's where education comes in. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing diabetes. It's crucial to learn about the types of diabetes, the risk factors, symptoms, and the potential complications. Understanding how food affects blood sugar levels, how exercise can benefit you, and how medications work can help you make informed decisions. There are many resources available, from books to websites to online communities, that offer valuable information. Advocacy is another vital aspect of empowerment. It's about standing up for your rights and the rights of others living with diabetes. Advocacy can take many forms, from sharing your experiences to help others feel less alone, to lobbying for better healthcare policies for people with diabetes. It's about raising awareness and fighting stigma. Empowerment is also about embracing positivity. It's about focusing on what you can do, rather than what you can't. It's about celebrating small victories, like maintaining your blood sugar levels for a week or trying a new healthy recipe. It's about finding joy in the journey and not letting diabetes define you. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. There are communities of people living with diabetes, healthcare professionals, and loved ones who are there to support and guide you. Closing. With the right knowledge and support, people with diabetes can lead a healthy and fulfilling life. Let's recap what we've learned today. In our journey today, we've traversed the landscape of diabetes, exploring its many facets and complexities. We started with the latest breakthroughs in diabetes research. We've seen how scientists and researchers around the world are working tirelessly to understand this condition better and to find more effective ways to manage it. From new insights into the role of insulin to the discovery of novel therapeutic targets, the future of diabetes management looks promising. We then moved on to the world of technological innovations, an area that has revolutionized diabetes management. We saw how continuous glucose monitors and insulin pumps have made it easier for people with diabetes to manage their blood sugar levels. We also learned about the exciting developments in the field of artificial pancreas systems, a technology that could potentially transform the way we manage diabetes. From there, we delved into the realm of lifestyle modifications. We talked about the importance of regular physical activity and stress management. We learned that while diabetes may necessitate certain changes in our lifestyles, these changes can lead to a healthier and more balanced life overall. Next, we turned our attention to dietary considerations. We discussed how a balanced diet, rich in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can help manage blood sugar levels. We also emphasized the importance of portion control and regular meal times, reinforcing the fact that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on the foods you love, but rather, making more mindful choices. The power of community was our next stop. We saw how diabetes communities, both online and offline, provide a platform for people with diabetes to share their experiences, learn from each other, and find support. We emphasized the importance of these communities in helping people with diabetes feel less isolated and more empowered. And finally, we touched on the topic of empowerment. We underscored the importance of education and self-advocacy in managing diabetes. We also talked about the role of healthcare providers in empowering their patients, reminding us that managing diabetes is a team effort. In this journey, we've seen that diabetes, while a challenging condition, is not insurmountable. It requires adaptation, yes, but with the right tools and support, it is manageable. It's about finding a balance that works for you, about harnessing the power of technology, and about drawing strength from the community. Remember, diabetes is not a death sentence. With the right management, lifestyle changes, and support, it is possible to live a healthy and fulfilling life with diabetes.